In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the pitch of a voice track in Soundtrap. If you're working on a podcast, a voiceover, or a vocal take that needs a deeper, warmer tone. Adjusting pitch is a quick and effective way to get there. I'll walk you through each part of the process and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident making the change. First, open Soundtrap. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, head to your projects. This is where all your sessions live. Locate the project you want to work on, ideally the one that contains the voice recording you plan to adjust, and select it to move forward. Next, click on Studio to open the project in the main editor. The Studio view shows your tracks as horizontal lanes on the timeline. Find the voice track you want to edit. It may be labeled as a voice or vocal track, and you'll see the waveform for the recorded audio. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct track before making changes. Now right-click on the voice track you want to edit. This will open a context menu with options for editing that specific track or region. From here, choose the option to change pitch. This brings up the control you'll use to fine-tune the pitch of the recording. To make the voice sound deeper, select a lower value to lower pitch. Pitch is often measured in semitones or cents. Lowering the value by small amounts, like -1 or -2 semitones, usually keeps things natural while adding depth. If you go too far, the voice may start to sound artificial, so make changes gradually and listen to how it affects the tone and clarity of the performance. Remember, lowering pitch can also emphasize room tone or background noise, so subtle adjustments often work best. The great news is that pitch changes in this workflow are typically non-destructive, which means you can revisit the setting and adjust it again later. If you decide the voice is too low, simply bring the value back up towards 0 until it sits comfortably in the mix. Keep your settings consistent across related clips so the voice sounds cohesive throughout your project. That's it. Open Soundtrap, log in, go to your projects, select the right one, click Studio, right-click on your voice track, choose Change Pitch, and select a lower value to lower the pitch. With a few careful adjustments, you'll get the deeper sound you're aiming for without losing the character of the original performance.